The volume-weighted average price, VWAP, is a popular technical indicator used by traders to evaluate the average price of an asset, weighted by its traded volume. Unlike simple moving averages, which only consider price, the VWAP provides a more holistic view by integrating volume into its calculation. This makes VWAP a powerful tool for intraday trading, especially for identifying trend direction, determining optimal entry and exit points, and assessing the fairness of a price. To begin, VWAP is typically applied to intraday charts, such as 1-minute or 5-minute timeframes, since it resets at the start of each trading session. This daily reset ensures that the VWAP accurately reflects the day's market conditions. Most trading platforms, such as TradingView, MetaTrader, or Thinkorswim, offer VWAP as a built-in indicator. To add it, navigate to your platform's indicators menu, search for VWAP, and apply it to your chart. The VWAP will appear as a single line overlaying the price chart. One of the primary uses of VWAP is trend identification. When the price is above the VWAP line, it suggests that the market is in a bullish trend, with strong demand pushing prices higher than the average weighted by volume. Conversely, when the price is below the VWAP line, it indicates a bearish trend, where selling pressure dominates. By observing the price's position relative to the VWAP, traders can determine the prevailing market sentiment and align their trades accordingly. VWAP is also widely used to identify entry and exit points. For example, during an uptrend, traders may look for pullbacks to the VWAP line as opportunities to enter long positions. The VWAP acts as a dynamic support level in such cases, providing a potential entry zone. Similarly, in a downtrend, traders might use the VWAP as a resistance level, entering short positions when the price approaches it and begins to reverse. This strategy ensures that trades are executed near a fair value, reducing the risk of overpaying or underselling. Another key application of VWAP is by institutional traders and large investors, who use it as a benchmark for trade execution. By ensuring their trades occur near or below the VWAP, institutions can minimize market impact and demonstrate efficient execution to their clients or stakeholders. Retail traders can use this knowledge to anticipate potential areas of increased activity around the VWAP line, as institutional trades may cause price reactions. However, VWAP is not without limitations. It is primarily suited for intraday trading and becomes less relevant in longer timeframes, as its calculation resets daily. Additionally, VWAP works best in markets with consistent liquidity and volume. To mitigate potential drawbacks, traders often combine VWAP with other indicators, such as moving averages, relative strength index, RSI, or Bollinger Bands, to confirm trade signals and improve decision-making.